Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression, and the quiz contains the basic operation and multiplication plus division and subtraction. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list, we have the given four answer 56, 52, 50, and 54. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall that what are the rules which we can follow to solve any given arithmetic expression. So there are here we will discuss two rules, dot math and palm dance rule. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parentheses, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to, step number two is basically you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If power of any number is given, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is basically you have to see the division and multiplication. So what will you do? You will go first left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. So if division part is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have here four brackets which we can solve using PAMDAS and BODMAS method. So one by one, we will solve each bracket. So first we will solve this bracket, which is 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. And other parts I am writing as it is so that you will understand each step in each line. So 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Now move forward to solve bracket number 2, which is this one. 2 multiplied by 5. So 6 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. Then plus, and this part I'm writing as it is. So here I'm giving the reference 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. Now we will solve bracket number 3, this one, which is, so now we will write 6 multiplied by 10 as it is plus, and 14 divided by 7 equals to 2. And this part we will write as it. And here we will give the reference 14 divided by 7 equals to 2. Now move forward to solve the last bracket, which is 5 multiplied by 2. So this part we will write as it is. And here 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. 10. And we will give the reference 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now move forward to solve other steps. So now we do not have any bracket, and also we do not have any power or any number which has the power. So now we will solve the multiplication and division. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out one by one each thing. So here we have the multiplication. So first of all, we will solve 6 multiplied by 10 equals to 60. 60. And this part I'm writing as it is. We will give the reference 6 multiplied by 10 equals to 60. Now move forward to solve again left to right and see multiplication and division. So we do not have any multiplication and division. Now we have the addition, which is 60 plus 2. So we will write 62 minus 10. And here I will give the reference 60 plus 2 equals to 62. Now we have two terms each other and which are subtracting each other. So the last answer of if this expression is 52. So the answer of the given expression is 52. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So this is the correct way to solve any given expression which is related to arithmetic operations So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.